How to make AI read text on Canva 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can make any type of AI read your texts on Canva. So to do this, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your canva.com and you're going to go straight to your apps. Now in your apps, you're going to click on search apps and you are going to go with text to voice. Now, once we do text to voice, it's going to give you these different text to audio transcribers. So go with any app that you think will work for you. Let's say I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to go ahead, click on use in new design. I'm going to open up a video template. And once we do this, as you can see, it's going to open up the text to audio file right here. So first of all, what you can do is you can choose any voice that you want to go with. So let's say I'm going to go with Aaron. Let's see a preview.
The doctor is a person who looks after the sick people and prescribes medicines.
So as you can see, it's a decent voice that I'd like to use, and I'm going to write any text over here, like, hello, good to see you. I am John. Okay, so I'm going to write that. You're going to click on generate voiceover. And obviously, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to go ahead and create an account with Roblox or any software that you're using for your voice. Okay, so just use any account that you want to go with. It could be your Gmail or any other account. Once you have done this, simply click on generate voiceover. And once we click on generate voiceover, let's hear it out.
Hello, good to see you. I am John.
So you can see, just like that, you can make any AI read text on Canva in 2024. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.